Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Hostinger and going straight to domains or the DNS zone editor. Do this now. Make sure the domain is on Hostinger name servers so your changes apply immediately. Gather the essential values: record type, host/name, destination value, and TTL. 3,600 seconds is common. Once done, choose the domain from the list and click Add New Record. You're now positioned to create DNS entries. Proceed without delay so you don't lose context. Now add the precise record types. For a record, set host as at for root or a subdomain and paste the IP for address. For CNAME, use the subdomain and point to the canonical domain. For MX records, enter the mail server hostname and a numeric priority. For TXT, paste SBF or verification strings exactly. Make sure you don't create a CNAME at the root if other records exist. Save each record individually and watch the DNS editor confirm creation. After saving, remember TTL affects how fast changes propagate. It can be minutes or up to 48 hours, so be patient. Verify records with a DNS lookup or Hostinger's built-in checker to confirm values are visible globally. If something fails, clear your local DNS cache and retry, confirm the domain uses Hostinger name servers, and double-check you entered exact host names, IPs, and priorities. If propagation stalls, reducing TTL for future changes speeds testing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.